Hi everybody. So we are going to make some doggy treats. So this is it's essentially a pantry doggy treat recipe. It's bacon, so you use some bacon drippings, some powdered milk, some wheat flour, some all-purpose flour, and 1 egg, which you could use the whole egg powder in your preps, or if you have glass eggs, whatever, and then 1 cup of ice water. So worked myself up into a sweat looking for the doggy cookie cutters. I knew I had them somewhere, but I couldn't find them anywhere. So let me pull up my recipe. We need 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, and this would be a nice gift for Christmas to any of your friends who may have a dog. I'm going to give some of these away. 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of instant skim non-fat milk, whatever, and we're going to mix that together. All incorporated in there, and then let me get a wooden tool that I can use to start making our dough. Then we are going to add our bacon drippings, and they are liquefied, but you don't want them hot, so if you have to melt them, do that and then let them sit for a while. And it might be good to know how to make some of your own stuff, just in case pet supplies get a little hard to come by. Can you guys see okay? It's nighttime, so it's very dark in here. Okay, so just mix those drippings in. Do you guys have more utensils than you need? And then we're going to add 1 cup of ice water. Had to check the recipe, and all my power went off a minute ago. Almost an ice cube in there. We're going to add our egg. We're going to mix this into a dough that we can roll out. There's an ice cube. I'm trying to do 2 jobs at one time here. dry bits mixed in. So you guys, I found this apron. See this apron? I don't know if you can see this apron. See this apron? Kind of, sort of. So guess what? The apron has no pockets. Who makes an apron with no pockets? You can't have an apron with no pockets. Yes, I'm ranting about an apron. The first thing I did was start putting my hands, you know, into no pockets. You gotta have pockets on an apron. It's not a useful apron if there's no pockets. How are you supposed to pick up after the kids and the dogs and the husband, or, you know? I couldn't believe it. I mean, it's cute, but it's not that cute. I need pockets. It's the little things, you guys. So, I guess I have to be happy with my apron with no pockets. So, I'm going to add more of this water. It's wet now. I'm not that person that loves putting their hands in dough. There's probably a phobia for that, and I probably have it. Okay. So, I'm going to move all this stuff. And if you're not doing a video, you won't make as big a mess as me. It'll be much easier. Ice cube. Okay, I'm going to get some flour. We are going to flour a work surface. And if you would like more dog prepping type treats and dog food videos, let me know. I mean, I've done a few. There's some of my better videos, actually, I mean, that people actually watch. Okay. So you don't want it to be sticky. And we don't really need to knead it. We just need to roll it out like you would a cookie dough. A piece of my own hair in there. I don't think the dogs would like that. I wore the wrong thing. My sleeves are in the way. And we are going to roll this out to a 1/2 inch, and you want to preheat your oven to 300 degrees, and these will bake for 60 minutes until they're hard. These will be crunchy like a milk bone, and I already have dogs stalking me. And we're just gonna roll it out. And then I have my meat only cookie sheet, so don't judge it, it's very ugly. But anything with meat, I do not put on my good baking sheets. Well, baking sheet. I have one good one and I have one that looks like it does because of meat. Meat will ruin your good cookie sheet, just so you know. Okay, so I'm going to make various sizes. I have some little Chihuahua dogs, so I'm going to do some little ones for them. And see the ugly meat sheet. So you just lay them out like that. So I was looking for these cookie cutters in my baking supplies and they were nowhere to be found. And I had them with the dog stuff. So when you organize things, probably look in the dog's things before your things, if you're looking for stuff. So just cut you a bunch of these out and we'll do let's see if you can see this size for the bigger dogs. Feels a little thin over there. Are your dogs all about the treats? My dogs are all about the treats. And that's all you do. Should probably get I don't like it sticking to me. And we'll roll the rest of that out and cut out more. Doing a lovely job. This side of my dough feels sticky. This side feels perfect. Nothing a little flour won't fix. Okay. I foobered that one. It's interesting that I made one side of my dough good and one side of my dough wet. So that's all you do, you guys. Don't forget about your pets at Christmas. We make ours a plate of food. They have their stockings hanging up at the fireplace. They've got toys. And they'll get treats. And I bought extra toys. I bought bags of toys on Amazon. And they'll get one in their stocking for Christmas, and then they'll each get one of those Kongs, and then a treat, and then I'll put the extra toys up for throughout the year, because you know how they can get tore up. Because I have found little cute stuffy squeaky toys are hit and miss. And Rocky and the littles love them some squeaky toys. Rocky loves to play tug of war. She loves tug of war. She's getting sneaky about it. She waylaid me in the head today with the ball end of the tug of war rope. So I'm going to finish cutting these out, but this is what they look like. Got some bigger ones there, little ones there. And I'm just going to keep cutting these until the tray is full. Okay, so here's a tray of small, medium, these little medium ones here, a little bigger than those, kind of big and extra big. I made two great big ones for the neighbor's dog for Christmas. So you're going to put these in a preheated oven, 300 degrees for 60 minutes, or until they're dry and hard. So I will see you when these are coming out of the oven. I have this dough left, so you can put the dough in the refrigerator if you want, or when this comes out of the oven, I will throw another batch in. So here they are, all done. We've got small, a little bigger than small, let's see, medium, and large. So yeah, they're crunchies, like milk bones, a little softer. The small ones do cook faster than the big ones, so you'll want to check these in like 30 minutes, not an hour. So the smaller they are, the faster they cook, like anything. So there you have it. There's our doggy treats, our Christmas presents, and our stocking stuffers. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know down below. If you'd like to see some more dog videos, let me know. I was in rescue for over 20 years. I've been doing it, so I'm still doing it. I'm just not fostering right now because people aren't adopting, and I have enough dogs. So I have fosters that were never adopted, so they live here now. So let me know down in the comments, and share your recipes if you have any, or let me know if there's recipes you'd like to see that don't have bacon in them, if you'd rather have veggie treats, and I will do that. So I hope you all are well. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.